Question natin is, ano ang kabutihang nagawa nyo ngayong linggo? I-text lang yan sa ating text line, 0921-785-1785.
And speaking of text, meron na tayong isang friends na nag-text na sa atin dito. Sige. From Texter 466. Pinakamabuti na ako na nahimo this week katong nag-car wash mig dump truck ni Sir Lim Gaina. So, yun. From Texter 466, hello sa'yo dyan. And I hope na i-text mo din yung mga friends mo.
Parang nagpapahiwatig yan. Nakilala niyang ating guest for today.
Ayun. So, I hope na magpatuloy ang pagka-car wash ninyo ng dump truck.
May babatiin din ako, yung youth convener ng Region 12, Oxer Jen, ng tawag nito, National Youth Commission, si Kuya Joe Sam de Kia. Nakikinig daw siya ngayon. Hello, Kuya. Katinig. So, ang first natin na guest bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating interview portion with the RCRFI. Tawagin natin ang ating first guest for today para sa ating Jam Kabataan, si Miss Sheena Jane Cagas.
Ating jammers for this morning.
Hello na naman sa iyo.
Yes, I'm back.
So, i-greet mo muna yung mga katinig natin.
You are back.
So, hello, good morning. Diyan sa Liado Subdivision, binabati ko yung parents ko nandyan. I don't know if nakikinig sila.
Nakikinig daw sila, nag-text sila sa akin. O sige, ipakilala mo ulit. Si Sheena Jane Cagas ang ating Jam Kabataan Jammer for today. Na-jammer din natin last week.
Yes.
Nagaling siya sa...
bumirit ng bonggang-bongga last week.
Yung kinanta niya kahapon, last week na, I wanna swim. Di ko kaya talaga, Sheena.
And now she's back again.
And now she's back. Naku.
Para naman sa isang bumibirit at napaka standing ovation na performance ngayong umaga.
Ano bang kakantahin mo ngayong umaga, Sheena?
Somewhere Down the Road by Nina.
Yun,
love
Somewhere
song.
Down the Road.
Somewhere down the road. Lagyan, pangit na.
Okay, sige, so bigyan na natin
ng masigabong palakpakan si Sheena.
Ang ating katinig, Sheena Jane Cagas, para sa kanyang kantang Somewhere Down the Road by Nina.
The right love at the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. Doesn't matter if you're gone, I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see then that you belong with me. Letting go, it's just another way to say I always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me.
Ayan, palakpakan.
Thank you so much, Katinig, Sheena.
Ako, ang ganda-ganda. Balik ka mamaya.
Yes. Ang sabi sa kanta niya, we have the right love in a wrong time. I hope this is the perfect time para sa ating mga kabataan ngayon.
Yes. So, dako na tayo.